guys, just watch this video that I'm going to show you, and this video have generated a lot of talk in internet as I'm talking right now. So this our brother called Ebube Monso. I want you to watch the video because a lot of people are like, you know, laughing in what that happened in this video. I was tired. It's people not even believing in miracle anymore. But however, just watch the video and let's come back and talk about it.
My son, well on you, on by this one, I let him go, on by this one, I let him go, fire, on by fire, on by him, lose it, on the other end, sirene pota,
Okay guys, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please, I don't want to say anything, may not talk then I may talk, but however, na miracle I see miracle. I beg, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.